Hey folks, check this out. This is on a 2016 Hyundai Tucson. It has like a little bit of a ABS. The brake pedal vibrates every once in a while on a low speed going to a stop sign. Check out that reluctor ring. It's cracked. You see? So each one of these is spaced out at a certain amount of whatever measurement, centimeters or whatever. When it goes all the way around, it hits that one's a little wider. You see? So that one's going to give you a little bit of a problem. Not enough to set off a ABS light, but just enough to annoy you with your brakes. So that reluctor wheel, it's not sold separately in the aftermarket. You might be able to get it from Hyundai, but it's actually pressed onto the axle. So this one's going to need an axle for the right side. Axles usually run around $200 to $300 depending on where you buy it from, and it comes with the reluctor wheel. All right, so there's no stock over here, so for now I'm just going to put this back together while I'm doing the wheel bearing. Okay, I'll show you. I'll attach the video for the wheel bearing that I did on the driver's side. I'm just doing the passenger side now, and that's where the problem is. One of the problems. Okay, another thing back here, you could tell there's a little plastic pieces over here that are hanging out. All right, so yeah, it's gonna need an axle, people. All right, thanks for watching.